Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Da, 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 da. I just thought I would jump in here because I didn't start this vlog for some reason. I didn't actually say hi guys, I just started vlogging. I mean, it's me, so what do you expect? So I'm just jumping on now to introduce the vlog, and I have also just filmed the end of the vlog, so I look the same. It's fine, we'll deal with it. I hope you enjoy this video guys, and yeah, I'm not gonna ramble, I'm just gonna get straight into it. So it's the next day guys, and for some reason I've decided I wanna move things around in my house. If you've been watching me for a while, you know that I do this all the freaking time, so that's what I've been doing. So this is what we've got at the moment. I've kind of moved things. So this is the sofa bed, which now means that it's got plenty of space to pull out into a sofa bed if anybody was to say. When I had it the way it was before, the sofa bed was here, but I think it would have been too close to this. It would have had to have been moved back if you wanted to pull the sofa bed out. Whereas now, it just fits there perfectly that you'll be able to just pull it out. I've put my desk here, but now I'm thinking about moving my desk area. I'm just going to try it and see what it looks like, to here, because that way we've got two plugs there, which is perfect, so I can plug. Oh my god, the printer could go on here as well, so this would actually work really freaking well. If it works, it'll work really well. So I'm just going to move it and see what it looks like. Well, this is what we've got at the moment. I have put like a lot of the stuff away. Actually, I'll just show you what I've done. So I've put like birch boxes up there. And oh, I just moved those so I could see that while I was in bed. I was watching both of you. And then at the moment this is like this. I don't know if it's going to stay like that. I'm just kind of like, I like to move things about and see how I feel with them. And then I've just also got those silver drawers I've just put in that corner there. Everything's still full of everything. It all needs organising and that. But yeah, I'm kind of just doing bits at a time. This has just opened the space up loads. And then if I was to have people around, you've got that chair. And then there's 3 chairs here that could be pulled out and just like put here. So people would have somewhere to sit and everyone can be together. So instead of having it so it kind of blocked it off before, it's now totally open that everyone can be here together. Not that I have people around anyway, but I don't know, it was just an idea. So yeah, I quite like it so far. So this is what it's now looking like, my new living room. Don't mind the hair. I did want to show you guys. I've just got this brush for Lola. Hiya, gorgeous girl. I've just been shopping. It was absolutely chucking it down. Look how nice it is now. Well, you can't really see, but it's super nice outside now. It's like completely changed. But I got this from B&M, and it comes with like a trimmer. Haven't used that yet. Literally all I've done is use this brush, and it really gets like a fur. I feel like it's just like the extra fur. I don't think she genuinely really needs to be like trimmed in the same way that Jasmine does. So yeah, so I'll show you. I need to tie it. I've just like been shopping and that. I need to like sort everything, but this is what it's looking like at the moment. And I actually really like it. It's much more like there seems to be so much more space. I want to start doing like some yoga or something, which is part of the reason why I wanted more space here. I'll just obviously like get YouTube up on there, and I can do like some videos and maybe a bit of exercise, maybe a bit of Zumba or whatever. I'll just put one chair there, but then if I have people around, I've got obviously the seat in there, that chair there, but I've got these 3 chairs that are at the table could just come around here and people can sit and everyone's like all together then, which I think is pretty cool. I like it. I've just got that mop from Bargains Galore, £2.69, buzzing. And then I just got like I wanted some, because obviously now I've got the dogs, and with it being raining earlier I was like, oh my god, I'm going to need to like mop, because they're just, you know what dogs are like. So I just bought this. It's not specifically, I don't think it's a surface cleaner, but I'm just going to use it on the floor and it should smell nice. So that was the plan for that. What else do I need to tell you guys about? I think that's it at the minute. So yeah, I'm just kind of like putting things away. I've still got all the little cupboard and drawer thingies. They're still just full of everything I've packed, so everything needs moving. That's still got all cream and stuff, but eventually it'll just have office stuff in it. There's still loads to do, but it's it's good. I can do things bits at a time. Oh, actually, yeah, I can show you this. Da, 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 da. I just got a new rug, little rug set. I've decided, you know what? I live here on my own. This is my house and I like pink, so yeah. So I also got a cute little pink hand towel. Ignore that, that'll end up like going somewhere just for like doing my face and that. And then I've bought like a body towel as well that's like, it's not the same as this, it's just, but it's this colour. It's like this is really soft, just like a nice pink. So I'm just gonna have like, why not? Do you know what I mean? Like, it's what I can have pink everywhere. I just love it. But I don't want like hot pink. I like the like nudie pinks with the golds, silvers or greys mixed in. And yeah, so it's probably going to be the theme everywhere. So yeah, I'm just making myself some food because I'm starving. And yes. Hello guys, so I've not been well today at all. It's about 4 p.m. The day after I last spoke to you. And I'm having a flare up today. Everywhere hurts. I feel like a zombie. I'm walking underwater. Like, and that is partly why I look even more disastrous than usual. But I've got up. I've been in bed most of the day with the babies. Been looking after mummy, haven't you, Jazzy? Been looking after mummy. Yeah, where's your sister? I bet she's under the bed. Lola's found a little hiding place under the bed. Let's just see if she is there. Oh, she's not. Oh, she is, look. If you can see. She's just round there. What are you doing, cheeky girl? You like it under there, don't you? Somebody's ringing me. Oh, it might be Greg because he's just had a meeting with our mortgage people. Oh no, it's not. It's just a random number, so I'll leave that. Actually, that's a good point. I think I'll ring him in a bit. So yeah, so I've just been going through all the drawers that I brought up yesterday. I've decided I'm going to put the grey drawers there, and I think that looks better on there. It just needs some card underneath it so it's up flat. Ignore, like, they all need putting away, but I think it looks a bit better now. So yeah, I'm just kind of trying to go through and organise things. I really want to start using things up. Like in here, this is just all my random like body cream. These are like my extras. And then I'm going to keep like a couple out and just use them every day. Because I've had them for so long and I just don't use things. And then I've got my perfumes in there. And then this is more like, I think most of the stuff in here is still sealed. And it's like face creams and stuff like that. And just like extra little things. So when I run out, I'll use them. So yeah, and then obviously I think I've shown you everything else. I'm just like organising, putting all like my face masks and stuff in where I think they should go. I've brought more bits of like naily bits, like I brought that down with me and some extra bits, and then I'm like sorting the office things out as well. So that is what we're doing today. Morning guys, it's the next day. I am feeling a bit better today. I've just made myself a breakfast smoothie. I call it a breakfast smoothie because I put a little bit of like cereal in it. So I've put some shreddies in this one, or shredded wheat or whatever it's called. And it's basically got some kale, water, a little bit of ice cream, a cappuccino, coffee, like one of these like packets of coffees, and like some, I think it's a melon mix, like frozen melon mix. It's not so bad, it's alright, but yeah, I figure it's pretty healthy for me, so yay. So I'm just trying out a new thing. Warm Weetabix, which I have all the time, but I haven't got any sugar. I put some jam in it, and I've also put some peanut butter in it, which I've never done before. Don't know if this is going to be any good, but let's find out. So I have just done another set of nails. Quite like this set, to be fair. I don't know if we're going to be able to focus. Yes. I just thought I'd show you guys. I have filmed it, so there will be a nail video coming up in the next like week or so. I am starting to try and get more nail videos done. So hopefully throughout like September and October, especially October, I'm wanting to get like loads of nail, like Halloween sets done. But yeah, I just thought I'd give you a sneak peek of this little set. So I'm going to end this vlog here. I was just editing it and I realised that I haven't actually finished the vlog. I haven't even started the vlog, so I'm going to start it now as well. So I'm probably going to look the same in the beginning of this video and the end of this video, and that's why. So thank you for watching, guys. I love you so much. You are all the best, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah.